Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM-8 track out of a 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. This comes from Ray in Saginaw, Michigan. I believe there was a famous song written about Saginaw, Michigan, George Jones. Excuse me. Customers requested the modern internal conversion with Bluetooth, so we're here to make sure everything works. I have the radio set to AM at the moment, to the one strong AM station I get, so let's go ahead and turn it on.
Finally, elected officials have a say about life and the conditions of an abortion.
Okay, and we're going to demonstrate our virtual balance and fader while we've got it on talk radio.
But Dan Abrams, also
front rear fader.
ABC's chief legal analyst, said that it is not unfathomable.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the tone control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance.
Marriage, gay marriage, other things. I don't see that
all the way front, all the way rear.
When you look at
I'm
precedent, I
center
think
them.
the most important question moving forward.
Fader set.
Fader set. Okay,
left,
left, right,
what
balance.
could be next? And I think
balance adjust.
the gay marriage
so now
is going to be
the
on
same
the
control is adjusting our left-right balance.
Alito wrote a dissent in the case, which used almost the exact
center
same
that.
reasoning as he's using
Balance
it.
And so
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Okay, could that be next?
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the Bluetooth went into pairing mode, showing that that function's working properly. Let's go ahead and switch over to FM, which we don't have the faceplate on the unit. We don't need this stuff anymore.
And I don't see it happening.
Okay, switch over to FM, and I have all 5 preset sets of stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, that one drifted a bit.
Legendary folk musician, the Woody Guthrie. Ceremony was held Thursday at the Sunset.
That one drifted a bit too. Okay, last but not least, the 8-track.
Closer, girl, I gotta get to know you.
Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, we're at the end of a song here. Okay, we're coming up probably on an automatic track change because there's a few songs ending at the same time, so we're probably nope.
The moon is red, Alice is like I do. And as you have made my life so sad. Left time, then let me. I don't hear a word you say.
Pairing not completed.
Okay, because we didn't actually pair a unit with the Bluetooth, she came back on saying pairing not completed. Okay, now most Cadillac units have a pull to eject feature. It's right here. Just pull on the volume knob and the tape comes out and the radio comes back. And that completes the test. Everything's working properly, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and my website and phone number are in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions. That just gives me more time off the phone and on the bench to put into my top quality workmanship for your unit when it comes in. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Ray, for your business all the way from Saginaw, Michigan, and we'll see you guys next time.